Engine compression pressure test. Importance of engine compression pressure. The movement of piston during compression stroke from BDC to TDC compresses the air or air-fuel mixture in the cylinder. This increases the pressure inside the cylinder and is referred to as compression pressure. Proper compression pressure produced by engine ensures desired performance by the engine. The engine compression pressure developed by engine is a good indicator of the factors such as clearance between piston and cylinder block, piston rings condition, valves, valve seats and spring condition, and sealing of cylinder head and block. Open the engine hood and secure it safely in the open position. Install the fender covers. Shift gear lever to neutral position. For automatic model, shift selector lever to P range. Set the parking brake. Start engine and warm it up to normal operating temperature. Stop engine after warming it up. Remove all components such as air cleaner housing, high tension cords or ignition coil assemblies to gain access to spark plugs. Remove all the spark plugs. Disconnect fuel injector wires at the connector. Install special tool, compression gauge, into spark plug hole. Disengage clutch to lighten starting load on machine. And depress accelerator pedal all the way to open throttle fully. Crank engine 3 to 5 times with fully charged battery at least at 200 rpm and read the highest pressure on compression gauge. Carry out the compression test on each cylinder to obtain readings. Compression pressure should be within specified range for the vehicle, and maximum difference between any two cylinders should not be more than 1 kilogram force per centimeter square. After test, install spark plugs, high tension cords or ignition coil assemblies. Connect ignition coil connectors. Install air cleaner assembly. Remove the fender covers and close the bonnet.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.